Hello, my dear beauties. I am Usha Taneja and welcome you on my YouTube channel UT Style and Beauty. I hope you are doing very well with your beauty and skincare. And today again I am going to show you how I created a natural rainy day look with minimum products which I am having here. I have cleaned my face with a cleanser and I am preparing my skin by tapping around eyes and temples and now massaging the skin muscles to relax over the forehead towards the hairline and eyes towards the temple and cheeks towards the temple. Massage your face gently and then the neck massages in upward strokes, upward direction very gently. Yes, no harsh treatment. Again I am applying moisturizer which I have taken on my palms and rubbed it to get it warm and then applying it on my face. Forehead, eyes, around the nose and towards the temple, massage it gently and then it's foundation time. I have taken a few drops of foundation on my fingertips and am applying on my face in dots and then rubbing it over the face properly, covering it fully, cover it completely and you can add a drop of rose water if needed. It's ready. And now the eyeshadow, take a brown color and make a crease with a brush. Brown color is a natural color on the skin as the color is same on our eyes. I haven't applied here any primer on the eyes. I am applying it just over the foundation. Make a crease darker from the inner corner towards the outer corner and smudge it properly. Now take a blue color eyeshadow and apply it towards the lashes, making it even on the lifted part of the eyelid. Make it smooth and blend it properly. There should be no dark or uneven tone of the eyeshadow. Repeat it same on the other side also. First make a crease with the brown color and darker towards the outer end and then the blue color towards the eyelashes and the lifted part of the eyelid. Smudge it, blend it properly. There should be no dark or light spots. See and watch it in the mirror clearly. Rub with the brush to make it smooth. If it's spread more, then wipe it off with a finger. And now the eyeliner. Very carefully. It should be a thin line. Start right from the inner corner. It gives a wide look towards the end. Repeat the same on the other eye. Again the line should be thin because it's natural look and rainy day look. Starting from the inner corner of the eye, going towards the outer. Repair it wherever it is left or damaged. Then here is micellar water. I left a darker spot with the eyeliner and now I am going to repair it. Yes, with this micellar water on earbud. I am wiping off the black spot, black dot which spread out from the line. Here it is very tiny spot and the other eye also. Now I have wiped it off and applying again the eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow which is wiped off with the earbud on the both sides. Making it smooth. Merge it towards the end with the brown. Here it is okay, it's fine. And now the eyebrows. Comb it well with the brush. Apply a eyebrows pencil wherever it is lighter. Make it even color, whether it is gray or black, and apply this pencil on the waterline, inner side of lower lash. Now smudge the lower side of eyelashes with the blue eyeshadow. Repeat it same on the other side also. This is done and now it's the time for the mascara to be applied on the eyelashes. Take out mascara brush and apply on the upper lashes first very carefully and then on the lower eyelashes. Take care of mascara bristles. It should not prick your eyes inside or outside. It should be applied very carefully. Yes, now it's done. Apply the same on the other side also. Now it's time for the blush to be applied. Take a wide brush and take a rouge powder on it. Apply it on the cheekbone, forehead, nose tip and the chin. Apply it on the other cheekbone towards the temple in the upward direction. Apply it a little by little not the heavy in the same time, because it's going to be a natural look. Smudge it properly, smooth it and smudge it, blend it with the foundation and the whole face. Now the loose powder, talcum powder, to make the makeup set. Please note one thing, that I haven't applied highlighter, because I am going to attend a meeting with government officials. That's why the highlighter is skipped. Now the lips time. Apply a pencil on the outer edges and then the lipstick inside. It's natural peach brown color. It looks very natural. The color is perfect for a meeting day look, natural day look, rainy day look. Okay, it's fine now, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you, bye bye, see you again.